Bubba, the redneck adventurer, decides to buy a hang glider. Eager to try it out, he takes it to the highest mountain point. After a strenuous climb, he reaches the summit and prepares for his maiden flight. Running toward the edge, he leaps and takes off into the wind. Meanwhile, Ma and Pa are relaxing on the porch swing, reminiscing about the good old days when Ma notices an enormous bird in the sky. It's the biggest bird she's ever seen.
"Look at the size of that bird, Pa!"
she exclaims. Pa straightens up, declaring,
"Give me my gun, Ma!"
Ma hurries into the house, returning with his pump shotgun. Pa takes careful aim and fires, with a series of shots echoing through the air. Bang! 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 However, the colossal bird appears unaffected and continues to glide silently over the treetops.
"I think you missed him, Pa."
Ma observes.
"Yeah,
Pa replies.
but at least he let go of Bubba."